Good afternoon. I deem it a privilege to talk about Eudoxia, my experience with Eudoxia University, as well the encouragement me and my husband received from this university. And I'm so thankful to Eudoxia University because they are there with me all the time, I must say. I received so much of support from Eudoxia. They're so friendly. The faculty there, the admin there, all of them are so friendly. I must acknowledge their hard work. And they're so innovative as well. They will make sure that they call me up and they will find about my welfare in terms of my personal growth, my professional growth, whatever it is. They are there with me all the time, I must say. And I'm so thankful to them. And I really like the friendly approach that they have. And they're so good in their innovation. Actually, they are, I suppose, they are working in almost many countries, more than 190 countries. And despite the fact being so busy, they make it a point to connect with me each and every time. And I am doing the fellowship program with them, and they're there, the faculty are there to support me, and also they have given me the opportunity to be the resource faculty as well. I learned so much from Eudoxia University, and they're so genuine. When I make mistakes, they're so genuine in correcting me as well with a very warm way and in a friendly way. And I do learn about research, I do learn about innovation, learn about so much about various issues that are in the world. So many things are being learned from this university, and I really appreciate the backup that they give to me. And at this point, I am here so much overwhelmed that they are awarding my husband with the Social Work Award, the Social Leader Award, because I'm so indebted to my husband, who's my pillar, I must say. And both of us truly believe in Lord Jesus Christ. And if we are here today, alive, breathing, it's because of the mere help and the grace of Lord Jesus Christ upon me, my husband, and my family. And this award that's being bestowed on my husband for the social work, it is the Royal Golden Award for Social Work. Actually, he founded Jesus Christ Educational Society in 1987. And Dr. D. Johnson Vincent Raj, this organization is an Indian non-governmental organization headquartered in Tiruvannamalai, catering to many villages in and around Tiruvannamalai, and also Army, Vandavasi, and so many places around. And actually, this society is recognized under the United Nations organizations since 1987. He has been a person who has his heart for needy, for the underprivileged, and he, right from childhood, that's what I used to hear from my mother-in-law, that always he was with the needy and the underprivileged. And so he has done a lot of groundwork from a very young age, helping the needy and the underprivileged, and I suppose that's why he got this recognition. And he is the driving force behind the society. He has dedicated his career to multidimensional community development, focusing on education, health, and social empowerment. Under his leadership, the Jesus Christ Educational Society implements an integrated drug control program, HIV awareness program, etc., that encompasses prevention, rehabilitation, training, education, and counseling. The prevention strategy involves awareness campaigns in schools, workplaces, and the public spaces to educate individuals about the risks of alcoholism and substance abuse and promote healthy lifestyles as well. He has conducted many free medical camps, and we are also indebted to all those who sacrificially helped him. The collectors and also the local leaders who supported him, the community there around him, always they've been very supportive. After marriage, actually, he got relocated to Vellore, but yet he travels almost every